Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I will show you how to change language. So to start off, we will need to open up the settings app, and from there go into General Management. So right here, and then you'll see Language and Input, and from here you can choose Language, then tap on Add Language, and select other language that you want to use. So for instance, I have 2 languages already, or not, so add another one. I can either set it as default, and it will change automatically, and also keep English, as you can see, or I can just simply drag it one above the other one and then tap on confirm, and then it gets changed. Now also, if your device is already in a different language and you're struggling to find it, General Management is basically, you can look at the app, kind of like a bunch of sliders, so you can just go to here, and then primarily language is always on top, so as the first option. So then you can choose and then tap on the plus button to add a language. So that will be basically how you would change a language. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.